Are you tired of hearing that welcome sound every time you enter your Kia Sportage? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to turn it off. First things first, go ahead and turn on the ignition or start your engine. Now, once you have done that, press the menu button on your steering wheel. You should see the user settings menu pop up on your instrument cluster display. Now, scroll down until you find the sound option. Once you have selected sound, press the OK button to enter the menu. Now look for and select the welcome sound option. This is the culprit causing all that noise. Now press the OK button again to disable the feature. And just like that, no more welcome sound. If for some reason you decide you missed that welcome sound and want to bring it back, just follow the same steps. Navigate to the welcome sound option, press OK and turn it back on. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to silence that welcome sound in your Kia Sportage. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to Wheels Joint for more car tips. See you in the next video.